Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, in this question, in a children park an inclined plane is constructed with angle theta equals to 45 degree in the middle part as shown in the figure. So we have to calculate the acceleration of the boy sliding on it with friction coefficient mu. It is equals to 0.6 and g it is given as 10 meter per second square. Okay, so we can draw the free body diagram. So this is the inclined plane with angle theta, and suppose this is the boy. Okay, this is the boy. Okay, and it will have weight mg in this direction. M is the mass of the boy, suppose, and this will be mg sin theta, and in this direction we will have mg cos theta. Okay, and a normal force will be applied in this direction, and the boy is sliding down, so acceleration is in this downward direction, so the friction force will be in the opposite direction. So in the normal direction to the inclined plane we can write n equals to mg cos theta, and along the incline we can write mg sin theta minus mu n. This is equals to m multiplied by acceleration a. Substituting value of n here, so we get mg sin theta minus mu mg cos theta. This is equals to ma, so m will be cancelled out, so acceleration a, this is equals to g, which is 10, sin theta is 45 degree, minus mu is 0.6 multiplied by g is 10 and cos 45 degree. Okay, so from here after solving the acceleration of the boy, it is equals to, from here after solving we will get that acceleration a, this is equals to 2 root 2 meter per second square. Okay, so this become the answer for this problem. Okay, thank you.